Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 game crash error code FHE01, and this is the quick fix. So if you're getting this error, Forza Horizon 6 has hit an unexpected error game crash error code FHE01, and the error context is 190000. So if you're getting this error in Forza Horizon 6 game, then here follow these steps very carefully to fix this error. So the first fix is to disable or uninstall Overwolf software. So if you have installed Overwolf software on your PC, then simply disable Overwolf software and then you can go ahead, launch the Forza Horizon 6 game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can also uninstall Overwolf software. So simply uninstall Overwolf software from your PC and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Later you can install the Overwolf software when you need it, but after playing the game. Now if still your problem is not solved, then fix 2 is to disable Steam input and spam press the Alt plus Enter keys. So here how to do it: open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then select properties, then go to the controller tab and from here select disable Steam input and then close it and then launch the Forza Horizon 6 game. And when your game is loading or when it is launching, then you have to repeatedly press the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard when the game is launching or when it is loading, and eventually your game will launch and you will not face any crash error. Now if still your error is not fixed, then you can follow other fixes mentioned in my another video. This is the link. I will provide this link in my video description as well as in pinned comment. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Forza Horizon 6 game crash error code FHE01 context 190000. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.